evening and happy Wednesday. Sorry if I haven't been vlogging for quite some time. I got in trouble with my mom, and I'm not going to go into full detail. And I want to touch up on what happened, why I haven't been vlogging as much. So, last night, I did a Zoom movie night with the first job I used to work for, which I'm not going to say, and they were showing Nightmare Before Christmas on my VR Consultant's Disney Plus account, and that was actually a lot of fun, and I'll touch into another movie I went to saw. And next week's movie is, we all know, the ghost of everyone's favorite, ghost of the most. So, Kayla and I watched this Netflix movie called Hubie Halloween, and it stars Adam Sandler and the rest of the Jack Pack, and Kevin James and Stephen Buscemi. And if you like The Water Boy, you might like Hubie Halloween. So I just finished watching the Masked Singer Group B playoffs, and I was so off on last night or this week's episode, and I don't want to give away too much, but I swear that the baby alien could have been from someone from Avenue Q, or The Puppeteer, or even Jeff Dunham for that matter. Because who could have moved him? You have to have you have to have practice to do that, and go watch the show if you haven't seen the current episode. And don't mind the music, Kaylin's on TikTok. And so what are your thoughts on Hubie Halloween?
I think it was actually pretty funny. I liked it,
So, going back to the Halloween update, I did went with my rec therapist to do some Halloween shopping and to do some crafts, and I'm also working on a project for a costume I'm working on. And for music, I tried to learn some Halloween music, which on the ukulele, but the only song that I came up with is This Is Halloween and the Monster Mash, which This Is Halloween had way too many chords. And the easier part we did is a classic, the Monster Mash, and that was pretty much it. So, alligators.